Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm going to be doing a video on 3 really awesome cases for the LG Stylo 4 from a company called Stylo. Let's jump in and take a look at these awesome cases. This is our first case. It's the Stylo static case. It is a military grade drop tested case that also has a built-in kickstand on the back right here. So all you do is slide this up, slide this forward, and turn your phone right over to be able to watch your movies or TV shows, or just check your email in the landscape mode. You can also stand it up this way as well, and it is covering on all 4 sides here. Just to show you, give you a little tour of it, and it's got a pretty stylish design too, so you're definitely going to feel very safe having this awesome durable case here. It does come in 4 colors. This is the first color. It comes in the black. It also comes in a blue, a red, and a silver. I will leave a link in the description so you can take a look at the other styles. Next we have the Stylo Ion series case, which is another military grade drop tested case, and this one comes with a tempered glass screen protector. So you are going to get that in the box, which is going to make it a great value, getting the case and getting the protection for the screen. This one has a really nice style. You just get that color around the edge there, and you still have room for all your connections, so your auxiliary, the charging port. There is a little cover, just comes right out like that. And this one does come in 4 colors. So this is the pink. It also comes in a really nice black, a gold, and a silver. So you get 4 different options with this one. We'll also leave a link in the description so you guys can take a look at the other colors and see if there's one that you like. And this case is also under 20 bucks. So case and glass screen protector, really can't lose with a bundle like that. And for our last case, we do have the Stylo Bolt case, which is another, you guessed it, military grade drop tested case. It does also come with 2 extras. So not only a tempered glass, but it also comes with a belt clip as well. So when in the case, this will just snap into place. And now you've got a great little clip there for your belt to carry your phone with you. And it also has a kickstand as well. So we kick that back, and guess what? We've got a great viewing angle here for that nice, beautiful screen on the Stylo 4. So really nice, very rugged, very durable. You have this case on your phone, you don't have to worry about anything happening shy of you just throwing it into the middle of oncoming traffic. And I would still wonder it would probably survive that as well, just because it's just a solid case. Now this one comes in a lot of colors. So it comes in a black, a gray, comes in a red as well, a blue, and I believe a gold as well. I will also leave a link in the description for this case as well, so you can see all the different colors it does come in. And overall, it's just a really nice phone that's going to really help to protect your new investment. So these are the 3 cases from Stylo. And again guys, the one thing that really I love about these cases are they're affordable, they're a great price. The styles are out of the ordinary, so it's not just your basic plain looking case, but these actually have some character to them. And it's, you know, it's nice to have a case that looks different from everybody else. So these are the 3. And I will have links for each of them in the description. And these are also all available on Amazon as well. So you guys can purchase them from there. That'll be super easy. Come in a lot of different colors. And hey, you probably have that new Stylo 4 and you're saying, hey, I want to protect this thing. Or maybe you even bought a case already and you're like, it's okay, but I want to get something nicer. Well, these are 3 great options. And again, they're all under 20 bucks and they're a great value. So go to the description below and click on those links and take a look. And if you like one, go ahead and purchase one. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, favorite, and share the video if you found it helpful. Also hit that subscribe button and make sure you also follow us on Instagram for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Take care and have a good one.